everyone, in this video we will learn how to find duplicates in Excel shortcut. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So in this data there are some duplicates data is available. You can see 302 sales ID, 302 sales ID with the same amount with the same customer name. So here I select the entire column of amount and find the duplicates values in this column with the shortcut keys. So let's start. First, select the first cell of the data. You can use the arrow key here to select the particular cell. So I select this first cell of the amount column. Then use the shortcut key Shift Control down arrow to select the entire column. After that, just press the shortcut key Alt H L H D and that's it. You can see here the one dialog box is open, duplicates values. Just click on this drop down arrow and here the two options duplicate and unique. If you want to find the duplicate, just select the duplicate. If you want to find unique amount, you can select the unique. So I select here duplicates, value with the color. So light red field with a dark red text. Just click on this drop down arrow and here you can select the different color those you want. So I select the here different color. You can see the green field with green text. Okay, after that just click on OK and here you see the duplicate is found. Okay, with the Excel shortcuts. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.